Greetings. In this video, we're going to look at a resource available through the InChIOER, molecule to PubChem LCSS that was developed by Jordi Quadros of Raman Lal. I'm going to click on this content link here, and this allows me to make a copy of this, and it's going to take a minute to make a copy. And what it's going to do is it's going to make a copy of the spreadsheet that is now one that I own, and it has an example list of chemicals that are all in red. What you would do is you would remove this list and place your own chemicals in it. And now it's processing this list. It's first converting them to InChIs, then it's going to the PubChem, and it's looking for ones that are chemicals, and it's making shaded any duplicates, and any that are not chemicals are still red. So if I go over here to the ordered stockroom, I can see now that I have an alphabetized list, their PubChem ID, the number of chemicals, and a link to the PubChem LCSS. So if I want to get safety information, say on benzene, I can click right here, and I've now gone to material aggregated through the PubChem Public Compound Database. And these are all open education resources that are available to assist scientists and educators in identifying hazards associated with the chemicals that they work with. And these are available through the InChIOER.